installing the 7mm drive backplane and drive cage. Slide the bottom backplane into the drive cage and fasten the screw. Install the top backplane and fasten the 2 screws to secure it. Align the pin on the left of the 7mm drive cage with the positioning slot on the securing clip, and then slide the drive cage into the riser cage. Fasten the 2 screws to secure the 7mm drive cage in place. Install the riser assembly. Connect the cables to the backplane. Install the top cover. Install the drives and drive fillers.